out there. Today we're doing a tour of my slime kitchen. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and like this video anyway. See you then. Everybody, this is the first drawer, glue, lotion, add-ins. Don't know if you guys want a part 2 because not everything has arrived yet. Anyway, I got some clear glue from the works. Cost £3. Clear glue, PVA. And then I've got a big one, PVA glue, £4. Basically, oh, this is from the works. More glue. I'm actually don't really like using Elmer's glue because the PVA one's better. And I got this one from. Okay, then got some Orbeez. These are actually really nice because they're all very big. Comment down below if you want to see me doing a video with these Orbeez. I never know, guys. What fantastic stuff I could come up with. Anyway, got some unicorn skin, whatever you guys call it. Unicorn flakes. I don't know, guys. This is heavy. Oh, that's why we've got sand in it. Different types of colours. Got red, orange. There's some aqua, really nice blue here. So yeah. I don't really like putting sand in slime, but I just have it there for kind of stuff. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next. Guys, I'll see you later. This is the first drawer that we have. Okay, I'm just gonna get out all the glues. £4, £3, £2.50. There's actually not quite the size difference. And I have another one right here. So this is all from the works. This one is not. Well, that's that, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you what's in this box now. This blue bin, light thing, some unicorn flakes. And now we have some sand. This sand is actually quite heavy. Some red ones, some orange. I have this really nice blue ocean type colour. This is the ocean type colour. Comment down below what your favourite colour is, guys. And I have one more bin here. I use wheelie bins. So there's some slime. I'm going to show you if I can open it. Because I really do not like these containers, guys. It's type of like a water type slime type of deal. Because that's the kind of slime you get in the UK. Slime in the UK is rubbish, guys. I would not recommend it. And where'd the lid go? Let's see you after while I found the lid. Right here. And then there's another green one. There's a cup that put instant snow in. A spoon. A knife for ASMR. Some borax powder. And some charms. So yeah, guys, that box. And I also have some measuring cups in here. There. I have a load because I need them to measure out the products. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in this pink and blue drawer. Guys, this is paint, Play-Doh and slime that I have. For some reason I have lotion here and it's meant to go in that one. So yeah, I have some paints, black, brown. I use brown for like make fruit types, like orange, green, and yellow. Comment down below what video you want me to do next, or like do you want to make this a series? Blue, more paint. I don't think that's really interesting. Some slime that I got from some slime shops. I made this one and for some reason it's in this container. Some crushed Orbeez. Got some Play-Doh mixer. And yeah, guys, I'm going to show you this bit, the activator now. So see you then. Bye. Piano. I have some saline solution, some bicarbonate of soda, 4 weeks, some pouches of borax. This is actually like meant to be an oven of borax I got on eBay. I'll get my borax on eBay just so you guys wanted to know. The next to it, mixing plate, some tissue right here, some little clays, and all my plate. There's like a ton behind it as well, guys. My lighting's very bad today. Anyway, guys, where the main bit is. So the stoves. This is where I do my ASMR in. And I hope you guys want to make this a series. Anyway, I have some slime here. This actually looks like glitter. There's actually slime. Some rainbow sprinkles that I've cut. I haven't cut these now, right? Right this moment. And I have this little patch of slime. So that was the tour, guys, and now I think I'll make some slime quickly in the bowl. So yeah, I'll make some slime really quick. Show you how I might do in my series. We're gonna make a bit. So yeah, guys. So I've got like a bit of glue in there. Get my spoon and mix that up. Give it a whisk. That's what's inside, guys. I'm going to activate it now. Oh yeah. I don't really use saline solution because that don't really work properly, guys. I'm going to activate that in here. Ah! That's just sprayed on me. By the way, I put some slime in here because I want to see what it did. And it actually went hard. When I mean a bit, I'm only making a bit, guys. Okay then. That can go in there. Okay guys, I'm going to show you my slime. And I'm going to put you in a better position. Hey everybody, it's Mickey Mouse. And here's my slime. Just kidding, it's me. Anyway. Here's the slime. Kind of turquoisey. It's got like little stripes of blue. It kind of looks like mintish. So I'm going to make some little chocolate pieces. And comment down below if you have any ideas for types of videos. I really want to know. And make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. This is the slime. It's kind of repeat, but I'm just going to use this one to pick up glitter that I drop on my slime kitchen. I really hope you guys want to make this a series, so yeah. And I hope you enjoyed that video right now, right here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video, yeah. I really hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you want more types of these videos. Don't want to keep you guys waiting. See you next time. Bye guys.